We're building a 70-unit building, and on this slab, there's a couple of holes, and I thought, why not try taking a few shots at golf? Oh, here we go. Whoever gets the least balls in buys coffee. That is not fair. Where's the mason?
Nope.
Oh.
Oh. Ah!
Oh! Oh! Yeah!
There we go.
Oh! That was nice. Oh!
Go, go, go. Yeah! We did it. We won. That's it. That's it. We got a green coat too.